SHOT Show 2017 at the Criterion Barrels booth here with Josh. You've seen him on the 50 States of AR-15 project before. Wisconsin build, right on. So, Josh, go ahead and tell us a little bit about what you guys got going on right now. Anything new, exciting, or stuff like that?
Oh yeah, no, we got a whole boatload of different products coming out here for 2017. A couple of them we have here at the booth. The first one is our Tika T3 pre-fit barrels. They install similar to a Savage or a Remage pre-fit barrel here. So basically you just bring torque the barrel into place there. You get it headspace with a go no-go gauge, and then you lock down this barrel nut with a Savage barrel wrench. So very straightforward installation. You can generally do it in 10 to 15 minutes. It saves you a ton of money on gunsmithing fees, wait times. So a real handy way to put a new barrel. So that's the first one here. We've been doing a lot of work with pistol caliber carbines.
Yeah, very popular pistol caliber carbine.
Absolutely. So this one here is from Criterion Firearms. It's they offer barrels in a variety of different lengths, configurations. Generally, they utilize Criterion blanks, as well as a few other high-end barrel manufacturers. But this one here is turned down, it's nitrided, and they use it on a number of their SBR builds, like this guy here, low 9mm pistol caliber carbine. I think this one's designed to take old magazines, but you can get them with block mags, any wide variety.
Yeah.
So, yeah, it's Mark Hostetter's personal build over there. So you gotta hit him up for the West Virginia build.
Yes, we will. Let's talk to him.
We've got the 9mm going on. We're working with a number of our OEM manufacturers, American Defense Manufacturing, for example. They're coming up with a couple new models, and I think we have a guest here who can help us out with that one.
So American Defense has introduced a UIC 9, which is another 9mm pistol caliber carbine. Of course, that's blowing up everywhere. Everybody wants one. Wants to shoot one in competition. It's fully ambidextrous controls. It's kind of their claim to fame at American Defense. And this new 9mm, everybody seems to love it. We also got a UIC 10 at 308. Same thing, ambidextrous controls, CNC upper and lower, receivers, Criterion barrels, always good quality. And UIC 15 Mod 2 and Mod 3 with a Mod 3 set apart for having an adjustable gas block more in the competition end of the series.
Speaking of manufacturers, you also have one of the MGS rifles here too.
We do. We have the Citizen rifle here. And this is the MGS rifle that was featured in a recent firearm blog review. So got some real handy little features and accessories here. Got some Fortis furniture that pretty much just pops off. You knock this lever down, and you can pull the handguard right off. So kind of slick there.
We'll see the MGS Firearms receiver actually, and along with American Defense Manufacturing, made their components in Wisconsin rifle. So we want to show that too, especially since they're using your barrels.
So yeah, this one's got a 16-inch rifle-length gas system on it.
Yeah, that's right.
Real soft shooting. I mean, a lot of our 3-gunner shooters just love this configuration. So MGS kind of picked it up and took it aboard as their own, and been running like a top ever since. So.
Awesome. Well, yeah, thank you again, Josh, for the time.
Thanks for coming out.
Thanks for supporting the 50 States of AR-15. We'll see his barrel in the Wisconsin build. So until next time, everybody, go out and have some fun shooting.